This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming permissions and prerequisites. Sign in as an administrator and verify your Windows 10 build. Once done, open Control Panel or Settings to reach Programs and Features. This lets Windows add optional components. If you anticipate online issues, mount a Windows 10 ISO or insert installation media now, because the installer may need source files. Make sure to disable third-party antivirus briefly. This avoids blocking the feature install, then proceed to the next step to enable. Net3, 5. You will now run DISM to enable. NET Framework 3, 5 because Control Panel sometimes fails or requires source files. Once you open an elevated command prompt, type the DISM command with /enable feature name, netfx3/all and press Enter. This instructs Windows to add required components. If online install fails, include /source, x, \sources \sxs pointing to your mounted ISO or USB drive, and add /limit access to avoid Windows Update. Wait for completion. DISM reports success or error codes you can act on. You finish by rebooting to ensure. Net3. 5 components register with the system. Many apps require a restart. If DISM returns an error, run sfc/scanno to repair system files, then retry the DISM command. Check C, \windows \logs /cbs/cbs. Log for details if problems persist. Make sure you use the correct /source path when offline, and only re-enable your antivirus after confirming the feature installed. This final check prevents blocked installations and verifies your applications run correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.